Let's cook.
Bonjour, everyone. I'm Nicole.
I'm Cornelius.
And welcome back to Cooking with the
McDade's.
McDade's.
Tonight we're gonna be cooking my favorite. We're gonna be cooking steak, mashed potatoes, and some
Asparagus. With mushrooms.
Okay, sounds good. Let's get started.
Yeah.
Here's the ingredients of what you would need for tonight's dinner. Got asparagus, mushrooms, onions, butter, garlic, seasoning, mashed potatoes, milk, sour cream, black pepper, and salt.
What's up, y'all? I'm about to cook my steaks. So for these steaks, I'm gonna cook these on medium heat, and I'm gonna cook them on both sides maybe 10 minutes. I'm gonna season my meat with this Creole seasoning that I found when we was camping out in Georgia, or Tennessee, I guess. And this was like the best, and I haven't went back to nothing else. So I'm gonna add all my vegetables in one pot, and I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter, a spoonful of garlic right on top of your asparagus, a sprinkle of table salt. Thank you, Larry, for the package.
We're still waiting.
And I'm gonna add a little shake of black pepper. So I'm gonna throw the lid on here, cut this on medium heat, and saute this for about 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes.
Okay, so today's wine of the day is a oldie but goodie. Winking Owl from California.
So what's the ingredients?
Oh, it is, the taste is sweet, the style is light bodied, and the notes are delightful. Flavors of ripe citrus, apricots, and peach.
Food.
Spicy cuisine, light cheeses, and dessert. But basically it goes with everything.
Yep, that's our favorite right there. Since we're talking about ingredients, tell them a little bit about you. What you got going on?
Well, a lot of people do know or don't know. If you don't know, I do have a food allergy that I developed like about 9 years ago. And it's a soy and egg allergy, which sucks because I like to eat everything. So with that being said, I can't have anything that has hydrogenated soybean oil or soybean lycopene, eggs, anything, egg whites, can't have none of that. So a lot of foods that we're cooking, it is allergen friendly due to the fact that if I have it, I'll break out in hives and swell up. My lips will look huge.
And I don't like going to the emergency room at night.
Yeah, it sucks. But I'm learning to deal with it. It's a process.
So now, it's been 10 minutes. I'm gonna flip my steaks over like that. And then add my seasoning right on top of it. All right, my steaks are ready to come out. I'm gonna put them on the plate. And you're gonna let your steaks rest for 10 minutes so you can get the juice back in there.
Okay, so now I'm going to make the mashed potatoes. I'm gonna add in 1 1/3 cup of mashed potato flakes in the pot. Okay, so now we're gonna add 1/2 cup of milk. Okay, and I'm also gonna add 1 1/3 cup of water. So now we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And then now we're gonna add in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of butter, and this is equivalent to 1 clove of garlic. So now we're just gonna mix everything together so you can get the consistency that you're wanting. We like ours to be a little bit creamy with a little bit of thickness to it. This is exactly what you want. So it looks like the vegetables are done and sauteed.
All right, y'all, now we're gonna plate the food and start to eat.
Okay, so we have officially finished cooking our steak meal. We want to thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching our show. And also, we would like you to
Like
share
and subscribe.
Let's get us a little and happy eating.
You drunk and normal, guys. Go, 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 go. It's about to be on tonight.